Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 C300 4MATIC. This one's polar white. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 248 horsepower and 251 pounds of torque. This one does come with the sports body styling. We've got 17-inch 5-spoke alloys, a silk beige MB-Tex interior, sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler, our C300 4MATIC badging, clean set of all-season floor mats and regular floor mats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a burl walnut wood trim, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls, navigation, hard keys for media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, 7-speed automatic transmission. This C300 has 60,023 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.